Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make a classic steamed fish. It's another one of my family's favorite dish. But there are three important things that we need to know in order to make a good steamed fish. Now the first thing is we need to know how to choose a fresh fish, of course. Now one of the things is you look at the eyes, they should be bright and shiny. Not dull or cloudy, because that means it's not fresh. So it has to be bright and shiny. And number two, the skin and the scales should also be bright and shiny too. And if you look at the gills, number three, the gills has to be bright red, not brown or dark color. And of course the flesh has to be firm to the touch too, you know. So these are things I learned from all the fish vendors. When you get to know them, they teach you a lot of these tricks, you know. Of course, you know, if you're lazy sometimes, like me, I'm lazy too. I just rely on the fish vendor to pick a nice fresh fish for me, because as long as they're trustworthy, they will do a good job. They will really be honest about it. So let's head to the market to get our fish now. Okay, now that we got our fish sorted, that is actually a very nice red snapper. We call it Konjac in Chinese. We have to go try and do the second step. That's important, is the cooking process. You have to know how to steam the fish at the right timing, because if you undercook it, it's not nice. But if you overcook it, it will be tough, so it's not nice. So you want it just nice and perfectly cooked. Now, this fish that I got is about 1 kilo. So plus minus 1 kilo, the steaming time is 10 minutes. So if the fish is a lot smaller, then it will roughly be about 8 minutes. And if the fish is a lot bigger, then it will be about 15 minutes. But generally it's 10 minutes, because most of the fish we buy is plus minus 1 kilo. So it's pretty easy to know that. Now, of course, the fish has a built-in thermometer. Now, it's not a thermometer we use for, our meat and all that, but the eyes is the built-in thermometer. So when the fish is perfectly cooked, the eyes turn white. So that's the indication that the fish is done, So and it's perfect all the time. So next time when you steam the fish, you look at the eyes too. So then you'll be able to judge better. Okay, so the last important thing we need to know is basically the sauce. Okay, now typically the sauce is made of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and some water. But for this low carb version, I'm using liquid aminos, which is basically made of non-GMO soybeans. It's gluten-free, it's wheat-free, it's sugar-free. It tastes salty, so it has that salty umami taste. And you can actually get it anywhere in supermarkets. You can use tamari as well, it's almost the same. But if you're not on low carb, you can still use your soy sauce. So basically what I use is liquid aminos plus some stevia drops. I use garlic infused oil, which we're going to make, and some sesame oil and water. And it's so flavorful and so delicious. Even my carb eating family couldn't tell the difference. Now, before we start, I just want to say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and hit that notification bell. And I have some links down below to shop for some low carb and keto products, so please check it out. So now let's head over to my kitchen to make that delicious steamed fish.